o yung mga scenes talaga?
Yan! Direct, may sex scene ka ba dito?
Nagka-threesome nila. So, ano ba? Maraming sensual moments, definitely. Kasi pelikula ng babae. So, asahan mo na yun, babae, may kulpa, malambot, mabango. So, yun na. Kaya sensual siya. However, syempre, iba-iba naman ang views ng kasama mo sa isang kwarto kung ano yung sensual at hindi, di ba? So, doon magkakaroon ng magkakatalo, kumbaga. Bawat isa sa kanila actually na nandito, except si Sarah. Lahat merong sensual moment.
Ayan, pakwento naman yun ang hinihingi ni Gorgie eh.
Eto na lang, siguro, para hindi natin spoil din, you have to go to the theaters para makita ninyo ano exactly ito, ma-experience ninyo, hindi lang kwento, kumbaga.
Idea lang direct, kasi sinasabi, panoorin na lang. Papanoorin naman talaga. And then kasi I remember yung ginawa niyo movie ni Lovie din, ang Sanjo. Grabe ang pagka-sexy rin doon.
Malaya.
Oo,
Yes.
malaya.
Sabi ko yun.
Malaya.
I'll be honest that
Yes.
it's the first love scene of mine that I was able to fully watch.
Yun,
I was like,
malaya.
ooh, that's nice. That's loving.
Hindi
ako
Pero si ano dun eh, si Sanjo, medyo nabigla raw siya doon. Doon sa ginawa. Ewan ko si JF. Si James, sabi nila, they feel violated, di ba? Ganun din ba yung na-feel ninyo doon sa feelings ni Sanjo?
Tsaka parang Gorgie, gusto ko malaman, si Lovie ba ang tumitimon nung eksena?
Oo, doon sa Malaya.
Ikaw nag-lead, no?
Lovie.
Si Drake yung nag-lead eh.
Hindi. Kasi syempre iba yung Malaya, iba yung guilty pleasure. So, iba rin yung the way that I wanted to present the woman. So, yung mga lalaki, sila mga leaders.
Dito.
Nakaka-lead ba kayo? Parang nag-enjoy naman. Hindi na ba ako?
Yeah, gusto ko say na nabigla ako sa first day namin. Kasi first day
Bakit?
namin, we had to do our most daring scene together.
First day, nice to meet you, James.
Nice to meet you. To break the ice like that.
You know what? I think Direk does this on purpose. The first time I ever met Sanjo as well, pagpasok ko, nice to meet you, ganyan, okay, kissing scene agad at love scene, and I'm like, oh my God, yun yung nangyari sa amin.
Kailangan natin ng tension, di ba? So, tension filled yun at the same time.
So, parang magkaroon daw kami ng tension this whole.
And then, ito na lang. Si Jameson at saka si JM ba, medyo napaplaster ba kayo dito? Sa mga eksena na ginawa niyo?
Yes.
Alam mo, meron yung gusto siglan. First time ako naka-encounter ng mga love scenes na kasi organic is the way that we want to do it. So, meron ginawa si JM at saka si Lovie in their intimate scene where na-surprise din ako sa kanya, but I let it be. Yung parang they were playing a song and then sobrang naging intense yung emotions nila that basta it was so intense that parang, oh my God, anong nangyayari? But I don't want to stop it. Kasi I know that I want to respect that this is how they want it to flow. And I'm just going to get to the bottom of it later on while I'm editing it. And it paid off. Yung kay Jameson naman, tsaka yung kay Lovie, masasabi ko lang, lasing siya sa charot. Intoxicated is the word. Intoxicated siya sa ganda ni Alexis.
Okay, last na lang. Lovie, kumusta sa producer? First production na lang sa Lovie, di ba?
Yes,
so, kumusta yung mas na-enjoy mo ba to produce more films or medyo nadala ka na ng konti or sumakit ang ulo mo?
Of course, it's a bit of a headache, but then, ganun naman talaga, if you want to grow, diba, you have to go through all these stages. Yeah, and you know, the outcome will always be great. So, I'm gonna keep creating more, especially if I'm working with such amazing actors and the writer, everyone. Yes, 100%. I want to keep doing it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Gorgie. Maraming salamat. Let's call in Nikki Wang. Nikki. Okay. Ayan. Yeah, may spotlight ka na, Nikki.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations to the entire cast and of course the direct. I'd like to ask Dustin. Hi Dustin. Relatively, you're one of the newbies dito sa cast. And of course, you're also part of Kapuso Network. So how does it feel working with more experienced actors like Jay and Lovely and of course James?
Of course, yeah. It's not usual for me to work with familiar actors, and gladly this was opened this opportunity for me to learn and work with them. And alam naman natin lahat na veterans sila. And yun na lang yung iisip ko. Hindi ko na tinignan kung saan sila galing.
Sabi ko experience.
Yeah, experience. So, doon ako natuto sa pagiging veteran sila, na kahit na veteran na sila, grabe sila prepare.
Bata pa ako, bro.
Gano'n lang.
Hindi kasi veteran sila way na, magaling. Ano na, kumbaga, experience sa industriya. So, kahit na gano'n, humble friends sila. Kasi ako, honestly, bago lang ako, like you said, medyo mahiyamin pa. So, nagulat ako nung sila, very approachable, and grabe yung work ethic, na kahit na experience na nga. Grabe yung preparation pa rin nila. Hindi sila kampante, so yun lang naman.
Kanino ba yung mas marami kang eksena sa kanila?
Kay attorney. Yes.
Kay Lovey. Yeah.
So, is there something that you learned from her when you're doing your scenes with her?
Actually, meron. Na-appreciate ko na binigyan niya ako ng chance umarte. Yeah, naramdaman ko yun kasi experience ko na rin umarte sa isang eksena na ramdam ko na but then kay Lovey, sobrang feel ko na binigyan niya ako ng chance talaga. Hindi ako na-intimidate, basta naging maganda lang yung flow. Because of that.
Thank you.
Actually, mahusay dito si Dustin. Talagang you have to watch out for his performance. And I'm super excited. Yung scene namin together, I was actually very impressed. So, I'm excited na mapanood din naman.
Thank you, Lovey.
Thank you.
But one question lang kay Direk. Direk, kasi kanina narinig ko na about the intimate scenes. I wanted to know if there's something that you did in this film that you have not done in your previous projects.
Lahat ng intimate scenes na ginawa namin in this film was carefully thought out. Siyempre kanina nag-joke kami about the intimate scenes, diba? But that's the lighter side of it. On a more serious note, it's something that we really were mindful when we did it because
Mindful.
Because there's a mindful and organic, but there's a situation that's really on it. So kailangan namin pag-usapan. Meron kami mga hindi na yung on the set itself because I feel like it's going to be hard to describe, and I want to be candid with them when I discuss what we're going to do. And so I set them aside and I talked to them separately, interviewed, and I told them this is what's going to happen. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? And then along the way while it's happening, syempre may mga scenes where I have to assure them individually that this is just a scene, that it's not a real thing that we're doing, but it's a scene, and so that we forge forward and mindful again how we continue with it.
Thank you very much, and again, good luck to the film.
Thank you, Nikki. Let's call it now G Trilliana. After G is June Nardo. So let's call it first G. Hi, G.
Good evening, and thank you. life. So, how do you think would the Filipino audience accept or react to this movie? Kasi, di ba, this is our 16th